Telangana movement and state formation syllabus. We have three units total. Three big sections, three units. Unit 1, Idea of Telangana, 1948 to 1970. We have 1948 to 1970. So 1.1.1, historical background of Telangana as a distinctive cultural unit in Hyderabad princely state. Its geographical, cultural, socio-political, economic features. People of Telangana: caste, tribe, religion, arts, crafts, languages, dialects, fairs, festival, and important places in Telangana. Next, 1.1.2, administration in Hyderabad princely states and administrative reforms of Salarjung, or you can call it as Salarjung reforms. Origin of Mulki issue, employment and civil services rules under Mir Usman Ali Khan, 7th Nizam's Farman of 1919, and definition of Mulki, and establishment of Nizam Subjects League, known as Nizam Mulki League in 1935, and its significance. And 1.1.3, merger of Hyderabad state into Indian Union in 1948, employment and employment policies under military rules and Vellodi government under 1948 to 52, violation of Mulki rules and its implications. 1.2, Hyderabad state in independent India, formation of popular ministry under Burugla Ramakrishna Rao, and 1952 Mulki agitation, demand for separate employment of local people, and city college incident and its importance. Justice Jagan Mohan Reddy Committee Report, 1953, initial debates and demands for Telangana state, reasons for the formation of State Reorganization Commission SRC under Fazal Ali in 1953, main provisions and recommendations of SRC, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar views, main provisions of SRC, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar views on SRC and other smaller states. 1.3.1, formation of AP 1956 and Gentleman's Agreement, provisions and recommendations, Telangana Regional Committee TRC composition, functions and performance, and violation of safeguards. 1.3.2, migration from coastal AP and consequences, post 1970 development scenario in India. Migration from the coastal AP and its consequences, post 1970 development scenario in Telangana, agriculture, irrigation, power, education, employment, health. And 1.4, violation of employment and civil services rules, origins of Telangana agitation, protest in Kottagudem and other places, forced on to death by Rabindranath, 1969 agitation for separate Telangana, role of intellectuals, students, employees in Jai Telangana movement. 1.5, formation of Telangana Praja Samiti and the course of the movement, spread of Telangana movement, major events and leaders and personalities, all party accord, GO 36, separation of Telangana movement and its consequences, 8-point formula and 5-point formulas, implications. Next is unit 2. ఇది అంతా ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ ఐడియా ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ. నెక్స్ట్ యూనిట్ వచ్చేసి టువర్డ్స్ ద మొబిలైజేషనల్ ఫేజ్ ఫ్రమ్ 1971 to 1990. So here 2.1, court judgments on Mulki issues, Jayandra movement, on Mulki rules, Jayandra movement and its consequences. Next, 6-point formula of 1973 and its significant and its provisions. Article 371D and Presidential Order of 1975. Officers, Jayabharat Reddy Committee Report, 16 GO of 1985 and its provisions and consequences on violation, reactions and representations of Telangana employees. 2.2.1, rise and spread of Naxalite movement, causes and consequences. 2.2.2, anti-landlord struggles in northern Telangana, Sirsilla, Jagityala, Raitu Kuli Sangams. 2.2.3, Adivasi, alienation of tribal lands and Adivasi resistance, Jal Jangal Jameen. 2.3.1, rise and 2.3.1, rise of regional parties in 1980s and changes in socio-economic, political, culture and cultural fabric of Telangana, notion of Telugu Jati and suppression of Telangana identity. 2.3.22 expansion of the new economy in Hyderabad states and other parts of Telangana, real estate, contracts, finance, companies, film, media, entertainment industry, corporate education, hospitals, etc. And 2.4 LPG policies in 1990s and their consequences, emergence of regional disparities and industry and imbalances in political scenario and political power and administration, education, employment, agrarian crisis, decline of handicrafts in Telangana and its impact on Telangana economy and society. 2.5 Quest for Telangana identity, intellectual discussions and debates, political and ideological efforts, growth of popular unrest against the regional disparities, discrimination and underdevelopment of Telangana, dominant culture and its implications for the Telangana self-respect, dialect and language and culture. That is, 2.5 is totally about the quest for Telangana identity, intellectual discussions and debates, political and ideological efforts, and growth of popular unrest against the regional disparities, discrimination and underdevelopment of Telangana, and dominant culture and its implications for Telangana self-respect, dialect, language and culture. Next, this is all about the unit 2. Next comes this is all about the unit 2. Next comes unit 3, towards the formation of Telangana state from 1991 to 2014. From 1991 to 2014. Now 3.1.1 public awakening and intellectual 3.1.1 public awakening and intellectual reaction against the discrimination, formation of civil society organizations and articulation of separate Telangana identity, initial organizations that raised the issues of the separate Telangana like Telangana Information Trust, Telangana Aikya Vedika, Bhunagiri Sabha, Telangana Janasabha, Telangana Mahasabha, Warangal Declaration and Telangana Vidyarthula Vedika. 3.1.2 efforts of Telangana Congress and BJP in highlighting the issue. 3.2.1 establishment of Telangana Rashtra Samiti in 2001, political realignment and electoral alliance in 2004 and later phase of Telangana movement. 3.2.2 the TRS in UPA, Girilani Committee, Telangana TRS in UPA, Girilani Committee, Telangana Employees JAC, Pranab Mukherjee Committee, and 2009 elections, Telangana in election manifestos, the obligation of the agitation against the Hyderabad as a free state, Hyderabad as free zone, and demand for separate statehood, forced on to death by KCR. 3.2.3 formation of political JAC in 2009 and its role. 3.3.1 role of political parties. 3.3.2 Telangana Praja Front, Telangana United Front, and Dalit Bhujan Sangams and grassroots movement organizations and other JACs and popular protest suicides for the cause of Telangana. So 3.4.1 cultural relativism, cultural revivalism in Telangana after the symbolic other symbolic expressions in Telangana movement, literary forms, performing arts and other cultural expressions. 3.4.2 writers, poets, singers, intellectuals, artists, journalists, students, employees, advocates, doctors, NRIs, women, civil society groups, organized and unorganized sectors, caste, communities and other social groups in transforming the agitation into the mass movement, intensification of the movement, forms of protest and major events like Sakala General Samme, non-cooperation movement and Million March, etc. 3.5.1 parliamentary process కానీ parliamentary process, UPA government stand on Telangana, all party meeting, Antony committee, statements on Telangana by Union Central Home Minister, Sri Krishna committee report and its recommendations. 3.5.2 AP Assembly and parliamentary proceedings on Telangana, declaration of Telangana state in Parliament, AP State Reorganization Act 2014, 2014 elections and victory of TRS and first government of Telangana state. So this is all about the syllabus of Telangana movement and state formation. Telangana movement syllabus idanta. So unit 1 name idea of Telangana from 1948 to 1970, the idea of Telangana. Next is mobilizational phase, that is 1970 to 1991. Next is towards the formation of the state, Telangana state, 1991 to 2014. So these are the 3 units and subunits.